Good morning. Monday morning here, about 45 minutes after the markets opened. So it looks like we're up almost 5,000 today. Let's take a look at Tesla. 623. So right as it dropped, that would have been a great time to open up another put spread. Since it's up, this would be a good time to close out one of our higher risk credit spreads. So that's what I'm going to do. So we have the two December 24th, one higher risk and one I'm comfortable keeping. So let's first look at this 520. This one, I've done every bit of it live. I rolled out, I think, 2 or 3 of them. We have an average credit of $118. Now we could buy them back for $100, meaning $18 profit on each one. But at one point we were down $300. But as I said, as time goes on, they just become less and less valuable, which means we make money. Let's take a look at this. Is the one, the 597. This is the one that I don't want to hold on to. So we received $132. No, it's going the wrong direction. But anyhow, I want to close this for a profit, and somebody asked me, how do we close them? So this is very simple on Robinhood. You simply go to trade, close, and how much money do we want to get back? So originally we opened it for whatever, 130 some bucks. So if we can get, let's get $1.20. Boom, done. So we just took our profit. So we just took 11, 12 bucks after a couple days. This one, if we close them, we could take our 50 bucks, but I'm going to hold those. Now, the other thing that was asked was to open up both credit and debit spreads. So I'm actually going to do both in one shot. When you open up both a put and a debit spread at the same time, this is called an iron condor. It's just a fancy name for two spreads. So ideally I would have, of course, opened up the put spread earlier today. But now that it's going up, it's better for the credit spread, or the call credit spread. Although I do not personally like opening up the call spreads on Tesla, because I think at any moment it could skyrocket. Anyhow, we are now to this week, so we'll do one. How about the end of the year? So first we'll do our put side. We'll make this one pretty wide, which is mean we're not going to collect a whole lot of premium, which is fine. Let's see, 90 bucks. Yeah, we'll add to this guy. So this is going to be a 500, 495. Yeah, let's do a little bit more risky. Can we get 100 bucks? Yeah. So we'll do a 510. So we'll buy that, or sell that one. We'll buy the one below it. And then for a call spread, we'll just hit call. And first we're going to find which one we want to sell. Oh, how high can they go? Let's go with, oh, these are in, yikes. So what I'm looking at here is the fact that these are in, the levels are $10 difference, which means they require more collateral. I don't think there's any $5 increments here. No. Oops. Whoops. How about January 15th? Let me see. what I'm doing is I'm looking for one that has the $5 increment so we can open them up the same. So there is none, so we'll end up having to do probably a $10 increment here on the call spread. So let's sell our put. Same one as before. We'll do a 510, 505. On the call side, let's look for. See, with these bigger ones, they're going to require $2,500 collateral instead of $500. Should we do a 690? All right. We'll do one of these. So we'll sell the 690. Problem with this, if it goes above 690, we're losing, which I think Tesla can do pretty easily. So this will just be for an example here. I'll open it. So on the downside, we collected $1 credit or $100, and then the upside we have about $2.50. So I can collect these all in one transaction, and that's when we call it an iron condor. This will require $1,000 collateral, so it's going to be because of the 690 to 700 one. So we'll try to get this open at 370. See if we get filled at 370. May have to reorder and take a little bit less. Oops, try 365. Wait. All right. We are all done. So we opened up our iron condor, which, like I said, is both a credit and a put spread. And here it is. So as you can see, there's 4 options here. There's the 700, 690 on the high side, 510, 505 on the low side. So if Tesla goes up another $65 over the next couple weeks, kind of get screwed on it. But that's okay. We'll risk it. We'll see. It seems to be kind of this past week just kind of in a range, so this should be all right. Not super exciting for me to do. All right. If you have any questions on that, let me know.